compressor right there. I got a little problem down at the bottom, and I'm gonna show you. First, I gotta get all the way down the driveway, take a right on 84, and go down just a little bit. This is gonna be fun. Hi, Leopard. What can I do to help? I don't know. Take that wheel off. Right side out. You want to get that wheel off and take it to a compressor, or do you think it's been? We'll find out in a minute. Before we go too much further, let me grab the strap. Don't start yet. We'll put the strap on. I only got some in there. Very true. Is your buzzer the way you think? How are you doing today? Oh, we just got that down, got the wire. You got your wire, we're going to get. Okay. 100 foot long. Did you say that you put the post on board? No, I looked at the there. I went down on both sides. Look right there. Good neighbor. Led's heading down to Exxon while they're still open. He's gonna try to get it fixed for me. If he can't get it fixed, I guess we're gonna drag this thing up the driveway just like that. Okay, I don't see anything really bent, but I do see a problem with the tractor. See that grease coming out of there? That's axle grease. I'm gonna have to put a seal right inside of there. That's gonna be a drag. I don't show you enough of all the crazy things I do on this farm. I was cutting right over there and I dropped the wheel, that left side. And when I did, the whole thing just shifted on me and it went right in the ditch, and I thought I could get it out. I was going forward and backwards and everything I could do. And then the tire popped off and that pretty much ended it. Ludford's heading over to Exxon to get it fixed. Hopefully they'll be able to pump it up and make it work. They might have a tube, I don't know. Earlier today, that tire down there was flat, so I pumped it up and everything was good. I didn't think to check the other tire. It had good air, everything was level, the cut looked good, but apparently that going back and forth caused it to pop off. Okay. Let's see if I can get it down. You want me to drive this back to the yard, or you want to try to cut some more grass? I gotta cut some more grass. Okay. If it works. What did I just do? Did I just hit that thing? That was dumb. I'm gonna let Ledford go first. He's gonna haul butt. You watch this. I'm gonna pick that stuff up. Told you, I can't go that fast. You see the lawnmower over there. That'll give me a ride back in a few minutes. Right now I'm gonna put the tractor up at the top, leave it there, because I know I'm gonna have to take it apart here very soon. Oh, I've done this so many times. However, this particular repair, I've never done this one before. So it's gonna be interesting. I'll get back down to the bottom in a few minutes, finish cutting that grass, go have dinner with the family. Thank you very much for watching our video. We hope you enjoy them as much as we enjoy making them for you, because we really do. It's a blast sharing what we do here on the farm, even when it's a bad day. Do consider giving us a thumbs up. And until next time, God bless you. The neighbor's got a whole bunch of new cows. They're just there for the summer.